Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we're in the greenhouse and we're going to make our potting mix. And I'm going to show you how to make some great potting mix using 3 ingredients: coir, perlite and compost. So let me show you what we're going to do. So this is the 3 ingredients that we're going to be using for our compost mix. We've got compost. You can use homemade compost or just shop bought compost. We've got cocoa coir and we've got perlite. So I'm going to mix these all together, but I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do to make my own potting mix. So first of all, if your cocoa coir comes in a block, we need to soak it. And this is a seed block and it will expand up to 10 litres. All we have to do is just to add some warm water. So my first job is adding the warm water to the coir, and we'll let that work as magic. We can see already that it's just flaking apart. So we're going to let that soak. We're going to prepare our compost. So we're using shop bought we're using our shop bought compost, and this is quite big, it's quite twiggy, so we don't want all the big twigs, we don't want it lumpy, we want it nice and fine. So I'm going to give it a sieve through this mushroom tray. If the compost is too damp, just let it dry out a little bit in the greenhouse. So let it dry out. I'm just going to give it a shake. And we've got some nice fine compost coming at the bottom. There we go. So we're left with some big bits. We'll just keep those aside. We can use those for the bottom of plant pots. And there we go. We've got one nice substance. So I'm just going to put all this into our container. And that's ready for our mix. We'll have another look at the cocoa coir, and that's all ready. Soaked up all the water. Look at that, already in that time we've got our cocoa coir mixed up, and this is just old husks of coconuts. So that's already good. So we've got cocoa coir we've got some compost, and we've got our perlite. So we're going to take a pot, and what we're going to do, we're going to have, it's done by volume. So in our tray we're going to put 2 pots of cocoa coir, 2, and then we're going to get our compost, 2 pots of compost, and then we're going to add a pot of perlite. So perlite is a volcanic rock. It's been heated to a high temperature and produce a lightweight microporous granules. This is great for improving aeration, moisture retention for drainage. So 1 pot of perlite. That's our mix, and all we need to do is just get your hands in, mix it all around, and then we're creating this lovely, you can just feel how nice this is, nice and smooth, nice and airy, lovely. Just putting your hands through this is just so lovely. And that is our potting mix. So we're going to put this in a container, put it in a container with a lid, and when we're ready to use it, you can come back and use it. We're going to be using our cell tray, and we can just use this just to fill up the cell tray. Look at that, fits in nice and easy. Just lovely, look at that, so easy, no messing, it's just nice and fluffy, nice and light. We can make our dents with our dabber, and we're all ready for the seeds. There we go. How's that? Looks perfect. So, ready for our seeds.